What's good, people? No Skip Dizzle here, back again, and today we've got a change of plans because Mr. Jermaine Cole has released a surprise mixtape on our heads. Birthday Blizzard 26, 4 freestyles. I guess this is like the prelude to the album coming out February the 6th. I believe it came out today or yesterday is his 41st birthday, so it's a little treat for himself to us before the album drops as well. So let's tap in. I can see this is hosted by DJ Clue, who's a New York DJ, proper old school, well known, well respected. But I have no idea what beats Cole's rapping over on this. So like, is he gonna go for old school New York because it's Clue, or makes no sense in it? But we'll see. First track is called Bronx Zoo, which is a New York zoo. So I assume New York beats. Let's hear this stuff.
Yeah. DJ Clue, to the storm. We gonna set this shit off. You know how we do things. Word.
In the Ferrari, a lamb truck, switching wild lanes. Top down, screaming out.
Oh yeah, this is Victory. This is Biggie. Yeah, this is some NY shit, man.
Living ghetto fab like my brother named Paul Kane. Somewhere along the way, I hate to say we lost shame. Grown men peddling gossip of all things. I remember when it was rapping a bar playing. Now the bread and butter is yapping and parlaying. Oh man, your name's a big conversation. Max deals for Luka Doncic, lobbing and Aiton.
Yeah.
But nowadays you can make a grip commentating if you master two skills, either dick riding or hating. Just look around, the hating and the dick riding is blatant. Tell mama your ticket to finally lift out of her basement is found in one magical word, and it's engagement. And nothing brings that like drama. You might wanna. Personally, I don't write comments, I write commas. Withdrawals from pictures to pin draws to fall off. They wanna know if this is the end all, be all to this rap game. He's trained in CPR. I'm a whole new breed for those that wonder who he think he is. That thunder at night to wake up the sleepy heads. Just when you thought that your boy was completely dead, boom, walked out that tomb like Matthew said that Jesus did, with the whole game on his shoulders, not even straining to hold it. I can spin around my fingers and bowl it. When I write, it's like I'm guided by the angels. I notice it's like the ghost of Christopher Wallace and came in and wrote it.
Jeez.
First name Jermaine, y'all tallest to me. Stop bothering me. Young simple. Some niggas threw some hate my way, but only thing that they should say is Cole, you like a father to me. The top ain't really what I thought it would be, and so I jumped off it, landed back at the bottom, and restarted at a level where I wasn't regarded as much. Just to climb past them again and tell them all to keep up. I love it. Truly, I'm aging backwards. In the sandboxes, I played with trappers. The K's pop like Asian rappers. The bullets grazing afros, piercing through front doors and left holes in a baby mama's favorite bathrobe. I used to be top seed. Apology dropped me way out of the top 3. No problem, I'm probably my best when they doubt me. Watch me.
DJ Clue,
Watch me.
to the storm.
Okay. Alright, so Cole's clearly just like treating this as like, remember how good I am at this rap shit. Like, you listen, if anyone forgot how good I can rap, yo, trust me, I can really do this. The last bar right here, apology dropped me way out the top 3. No problem, I'm probably best when they doubt me. Watch me. Obviously, if you don't know, the whole palaver of the Kendrick Drake beef, which J. Cole was part of as well, then dropped out because he apologized live at the Dreamville concert or festival. My view on that is, yes, Cole, you cannot do that. As a top tier elite MC who's been saying for years, I'm the best. Any rapper come doubt me, I'll lyrically murder them. You can't be doing that, and it does affect where you rank amongst your peers, unfortunately, and all time. You are one of the best ever, but that's going to be a stain on the CV forever. That's just how I feel about it. But we know Cole can rap his motherfucking ass off. Anyway, track 2, Golden Goose Freestyle.
DJ Clue,
Let's see what beat this is.
to the storm. And you know what?
Cold the truth, got
this
they
is the
stolen
locks.
nooses.
Yeah, we're going full New York with this. Had to be.
Nah, I'm on top. You can't knock me off my spot. Fuck yachts. I won't stop to the boats and cruise ship. To the whole world knows who got the gold acoustics. Only then will I split like I co-produced it. A lot of rappers make dough and be prone to lose it. For crumbs, dumb niggas so they sold illusion. Universal distribution, but I own the music. Best niggas still breathing, leaving no
Could be a lot of guys.
Hop on every nigga song, abuse it. Catch bodies for my own amusement. Niggas in they pores is putrid. hatred from poison of all different sorts they using. If the stream say you're winning while your tours is losing, when the math ain't math, then of course you're juicing. That mean the bots is boosting, cut the tough guy image, it is not conducive to breathing. Don't gamble with your life, cause the ops is cruising.
Facts.
Word to Mike Vick, your dog might get shot for losing.
Damn.
And I don't like those eyes, so I stay in my lane. Despite every bit of dirt thrown my way, there'll never be a stain on my name. That's why I walk around dolly as if ain't nothing changed. Without a chain on my frame, niggas can never know the pain of Jermaine. But I can't name a thing that I ain't overcame. I despise my celebrity, I ain't in the fame. Don't be silly, want the chili, similar to Usher Rain when he sang in the rain. Hey, money bring respect in this game. Ain't it a shame how them things interchange?
Yeah, this track here was more like Cole expressing about what I got from it is like Cole's explaining why he's the way he is. Obviously, from the last one, we ended it about apologizing, and he's talking about more so, I stay in my lane, I do my own thing, because people are out here faking numbers, the streams are doing well, but the tour sales are looking mad, the bots are clearly boosting the thing, you know what I mean? Just like, I stay in my lane, I do my own thing, man. I'm not no celebrity, I don't like that, I ain't into the fame, so that's just Cole telling about who he is, and that's fine. Cole has been true to that. Like, I feel like I've heard so many freestyles over the years to this beat, man. It's Cole's turn, let's go.
Yeah, hey yo, scrap everything I was working on prior to the day the world decided to play. I got a brand new agenda. They trying to keep up with your boy Harley. Bitch, I feel like Lori Harvey, how I ran through them niggas. Now I'm back for the winter, trying to outdo myself. No chain on my neck, but got a palpable wealth. I grew up in the heat of the South, you could melt, cause the summer humidity enhances stupidity. Means say I'm humble, but trust this humility's from witnessing violence and turned off utilities. No man that's rhyming can match my fluidity. I'm Mike Jordan, Ant Edwards, nigga, you kidding me? Cole gets older, but grows new abilities. You didn't know I'm Zeno with Goku agility. Come
Anime
witness
bars.
perfection. These niggas perplexing like witness protection. Get whole new identities. Then start rapping, but what happened to the real you? I used to get self-conscious around real gangsters, and I still do. Find peace with the audience you appeal to. Be yourself, living your truth. Niggas
Cole
will
talking about
feel
being
you.
himself.
Embrace hunger, witness. Had all my niggas staying silent like that's none of our business. I'm in desperate need of commas like a run-on sentence. Shit. Like a run-on sentence. I'm trying to see greener pastures, cause preteens are blasters. Not a lot of talking, but the gun's long-winded. No strap on my body, I'm an unarmed menace. I'm an unarmed menace. New York, New York. New York, New York.
Yeah, nice, man. Nice. Alright, let's go to the last one. It's only 4 of these, man. 99 Beard Freestyle. Another classic NY beat, man. This is Jada and them boys, isn't it?
I orbit the earth whenever I'm recording a verse. When I'm ready to drop, said he gon' report on it first. Play my album for the corpse in a hearse. It's so live, the flow can make the rigor mortis on a mortal reverse.
Jeez.
These niggas reckless trying to disrespect the Lord of the church. Get disconnected from your source just like the cord at your birth. I'm from an alternate dimension, I got lost inside of this one. Now I'm walking around and looking for a portal that works. But all of the perks of rhyming make it harder to search. The tormented poet, I know I'm making more than I'm worth. At one time, my neck and wrist was having so much ice. You think I'm getting dudes deported to a border and turf. These niggas swear they doing numbers, but it's the only way of describing this way that I'm rhyming is picture Jeffrey Dahmer walking a carcass across the carpet. The Marshall Falk of the roster with all-star offense. Outside of the music, I'm as cool as your water faucet. I stay to myself, I ain't talkative. Y'all taught me not to have a heart-to-heart with a monster. They all too heartless. Like the skeleton's easy for me to pause it with one verse. I disassemble narratives. Your theories get killed. The murder weapon with superior skill.
Yeah,
Selling drugs
I like
to your
that.
stereo. Sincerely, it feels like overdosing off a myriad of various pills. You're not alone when you experience ethereal thrills. Even niggas burning in hell when they hear me get chills. I'm a 99 bill. Those who wholeheartedly oppose the chosen one that rose like the golden sun. In the morning to give light to even those that shun. Raised from the flows, radiate the globe, melting snow on this frozen tundra.
The flow,
Known as
man.
the rap game that's
Jesus
been overcome
Christ.
with loads of marketing plans based on randomly dissing and hating on the next man. I understand, imagine working hard as you can. On this album you plan, hoping it charges your brand. But as soon as you drop it, the world's ignoring again. Got you wondering why till you start to notice the trend. Drama enhances the attention brought to the fans on popular channels. So you wanna hop on a band, wagging a battle, rapping and throwing shots in a jam. I had my chance, but I dropped it, which means that my only option's to do the opposite then.
Fairs,
Hip
man.
hop is back, JID should chart platinum.
Shout out
Anything
JID.
less than that, it means y'all capping. The fall off is dropping 2-6, stop asking.
We'll be
I
there.
wanna thank God, cause I almost lost passion. Hip hop, hip hop.
That was nice, man. That's my favorite one so far. I think that's the best one so far. Yeah, I think 99 Bill's the best freestyle out of the four of them, man. I'm telling you, this nigga Jermaine can really, really, really rap, man. He's one of the coldest to ever do it. Hey, Jermaine Cole, thank you for the 4 freestyles. Your album coming out February the 6th. We will be there for the reaction. Front seat, I'll be there. I expect good things from the album. I want a classic. I think we can get a classic. I want a classic from Jermaine Cole. Thanks, guys. Appreciate your time again, man. Yeah, we'll be back for Jermaine Cole, The Fall Off. Take care. Peace.